it's Raina with Lilo Crafts coming on today to participate in Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic's open collaboration called hashtag Thrifted Treasures or Thrifty Finds, where you can share any of the goodies that you are getting a great deal on or that you got thrift storing, garage selling, whatever that may be. So I am so excited. I've been saving up for, I don't know, maybe a couple weeks. We've been kind of going through a lot here in our family, and I've done some retail therapy. But it didn't cost me much because it was all at thrifty places. First thing I got is this giant brown basket. And this basket cost me $2. I mean, it is huge and so sturdy. And what I have done is put all of my paper goods for my junk journaling all inside of here. So for instance, I found these handmade papers, right? Isn't that so fun? And I've got envelopes and Polymer paper that I shared before. And so let me go ahead and show you what else I got. And the next thing I got are two of these planners. And these are so great because once you have the outside, you can just change up the inside because they sell inserts. And so I got these planners for about $1 each. And so I'm gonna carry one around and put down all my ideas. Are you like me? I have these ideas and then I forget about them because they come up at the oddest times. So I'm so excited to be able to carry one around and one I'm going to actually use as a regular planner. Next, I got some Christmas books. And so I am working on Christmas journals right now. And so this one is all about ornaments. This is a magazine, an old magazine with Christmas ideas. And here is another book with beautiful, beautiful pictures and recipes. I mean, it's just gorgeous. So excited to use these in junk journal. Then I found some wood box stamps. And so I've got this one. It is the squiggly lines, and I thought that'd be so great as a background. And this one is all on life is. So life is precious, life is fulfilled, life is full of surprises. Awesome sentiments that I thought would go great in junk journaling. Then I found this little moose, and this one is used, but I can't wait to go ahead and try it. I guess actually it's a buck, a deer buck. And so I love the deer. So here's another reindeer, and this one is new. And then I found this tiny little Christmas tree, and this one is used. Then I found some stamps. Yes, can you believe it? I found some stamps at the thrift store for $1 each. And so this is like a make your own snowman, and you can layer in all the pieces. That's going to be so fun to do. And because they're separate, you can put different stamp colors on them and then stamp them all together. I think that's awesome. This is from Michael's, I believe. And so look at this. It's all brand new. And so all these stamps with things for $1, and these flourishes also for $1, and these were $14.99 regular price. So $1 was so great on that. And then I also got these to, you know, put sentiments or things inside of that. So excited for those. Then I found a couple of wood pegs. So I've never had these before, so I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with those, but that was so fun. And a little bit of this embroidery floss. And, oh, this was such a find. Look at this. This is beautiful red grosgrain ribbon, almost the entire big roll. And this I got for $1 too. And this was originally $19.75. That was the clearance price. And I got it for $1. And look how much there is. Oh my gosh, that must be like 50 yards or 100 yards. Then I found these little doodads. They all say title, but they're little strips. And I thought I could use these to make ephemera for my junk journal. I found some baker's twine. I found some Pom Poms, and these Pom Poms I thought I could use maybe on those little reindeers that I just hauled from Hobby Lobby, those felt reindeers. So excited for those. And then I found some of these containers, and these are what you can use to hold your applicators for your inking. And so I'm so excited because I've been buying these on Temu, and I think they're $3, and I got this for $1. And it even came with these. These are a little bigger, so they didn't, oh, They do all fit. So I got all of these for $1. So exciting. And then, oh, I got this stamp. This is a Raggedy Andy stamp. Isn't that so sweet? And it is new, even though it's all like yucky on the front, it doesn't look like it's been used on the back. And I went to a used bookstore while I was waiting for my mom at dialysis, and they had a cart in the front and it said all books 25 cents. And so I got this book, which I've already been tearing the book pages out, and you can see it says right on there 25 cents. And I thought, you know what, this might actually even make a fun Christmas like altered book journal too once I tear out all the pages. So I'm working on that. I got this little childcraft book, and this is, I thought all these pictures are so fun. And so they can go in a whole variety of different kinds of junk journals. So I liked that. And then I got this picture. I got this book just because it has this dog. And it has very sweet pages, but look at that illustration of the dog. And there's several in here. There's another illustration of the dog. So sweet. This is actually a really nice size. I bet this would work if I decided to alter this book someday with 6x6 paper. So that's kind of neat to have that kind of size. I didn't even think of that till just now. And then I got this book, also 25 cents, but look at this. It looks like it's typewritten. Ah! I thought that was so fun. The font is like a typewriter. Oh my gosh. And this is on Nashville. so super excited to have found that for 25 cents. And then I got a few paper good items. Got these little stickers. Those are so cute. And then I found these. And so these are beautiful cards that I can use as cards or I can put in journals. And then I found a little bit more graph paper. And I have this. This is columnar paper. So it's blue for junk journals, and then tiny graph paper pad. And I found this. It says it's a premium analysis pad, and I found some of this. So that is it. That is my thrifty haul, and I am so excited. I hope that you will join in too, and thank you for seeing what I got, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.